Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Today I share stir-fried broccoli with beef. Ingredients are broccoli, beef, garlic, ginger and onions. Process the beef first, because marinating takes time. Cut away the fascia. The taste will be smoother. Discard the fascia. Cut the lines of the beef. Otherwise, the texture will be very gritty. Cut to about 3 mm thick to keep the texture. Soak with a comb to soften the meat. Set aside. Now working on other materials. Break broccoli into small pieces. For larger ones, split it in two. Peel the stems and slice thinly. Soak in water. It will be cleaner. Make the texture more crisp. Thinly slice the ginger. Mince the garlic. Cut the green onion into 3 to 4 centimeters long. Prepare sauces, easy to operate later. A teaspoon of sugar. Pinch of salt, half teaspoon chicken powder, pinch pepper, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 1 teaspoon shiaxing wine, 3 teaspoons of water. One teaspoon sesame oil. Mix well. Set aside. Drain the beef. Squeeze it dry. Seasoning. Take 150 grams of beef as an example. Add half teaspoon of sugar. Pinch pepper. 1 teaspoon light soy sauce. 1 teaspoon Maggi soy sauce. Add a small amount of old soy toning. Make the appearance darker. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. 2 teaspoons cornstarch. Mix well. Feel sticky, add a little water. Add in less. Too much water will affect the effect. Feel moist enough. Don't add too much water. Add a tablespoon of oil. Mix well. It is recommended to marinate for more than 15 minutes. Drain the broccoli. Boil water. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar. 1 teaspoon of salt. 2 tablespoons oil. When boiling, add the broccoli and cook for 2 minutes. Scoop up, drain. Wash the wok and heat it up. If you use a non-stick pan, do not heat it, it will shorten its life. If the wok is not hot enough, The beef will stick to the pan. Turn off the fire. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Shake well. Add beef. Open medium fire. Fry for a minute. After a minute, turn off the heat and remove. One tablespoon of oil left in the wok is enough. Saute the ingredients over low heat. Add broccoli. Add beef. Stir fry evenly. Add to pre-prepared sauce. Stir well and serve. Arrange broccoli in a circle. Put the stem in the middle. Put the beef in the middle. Today's broccoli beef stir fry is done. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell. Never miss a video update. Thank you all.